and let's go. The upward was active. Let's get this. Tuesday's market review. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we've been looking for this market structure shift to the buy side. So if price sweeps this high, we'll shift the market structure higher, and we're expecting higher prices. For this week, we have a bullish weekly expansion expectation. I want to see support at the custom encroachment of the discount week. Maximum is lower quadrant. For now, custom encroachment is iffy, is being respected, but we have not seen a confirmation for higher prices. So if we do not see any support at this level or at this region in price action, we'll be looking to target sales and liquidity way lower. Since we have not seen a 1 hour market structure shift, we cannot be fully bullish yet. But as it stands, going into the session, price has provided a liquidity rate. These are sell stops that have been taken, rallied, we induced this high and do not create a higher high. And now we have seen price move lower. ES and YM have gone below this low. The nasdaq stays above it. So this is an SMT divergence right here. So now I anticipate the rally to sweep these Asian highs and create a market structure shift on the 1 hour time frame actually. So the logic is that smart money has performed short covering at these lows. These are relatively equal and it may be snapped down again to once more take sell stops. But then if that does not happen and we see a market structure shift on the 1 hour time frame, that sets us up for higher because short covering is done. Market structure at the moment is bearish. If we're bullish buyers, want to see market structure shift happen above here. So the buy side around the current new week opening gap is low to is high. That region has over 200 handles worth of a buy side inefficiency. So it moved lower. There was a sell side. There was even a gap at the opening, at the new week opening gap. But that side is, that portion in price around the new week opening gap is deficient in buy side delivery, over 200 handles. So there's a serious draw to the buy side, and we are seeing relatively equal highs all through here. So there's smooth highs to target. Moving lower, on the 1 minute time frame, you can see the period between 7 p.m. and 5 a.m. The pools of liquidity that here are still on the buy side because these are relatively smooth. Sell side is jagged already. So during the pre-market session, I'm looking to see price move higher towards this high and this one. Unfortunately, pre-market session just meanders around and retraces, hits the consequent encroachment of the weekly discount week, and does not rally for this higher prices. So I'm expecting a move higher during the New York AM session or the New York PM session. New York AM began at 9:30. This is open, and we see that it was choppy. This was a high resistance liquidity run delivery. It did not go anywhere. It marked time. It had no speed. It had no displacement. There was no hurry. So it got to the midnight opening price and we saw it meander continuously, even failing to take the buy side, talk less of shifting structure on the 1 hour time frame. The New York PM session and the launch session saw a retracement lower. Price went as low as pre-market lows, tagged them, and we see this SMT right here. It does not trade lower than the previous low. Just to return to it right here. So we see this level attained. Sell side has been taken, but no market structure shift higher. Looking to the left at regular trading hours, you can see that at the open it rallied, found resistance and moved lower. We are currently at the upper portion of the old void. It's a void portion of an old opening range gap. Price is filling in that level after taking sell side liquidity at that level, and we're looking for higher prices, but it will need to be confirmed with a shift market structure higher on the 1 hour time frame or a certain 1 hour high that could form even overnight. Moving into tomorrow, I'll be looking for these confirmations will come in. There's an SSC divergence on the chart right now, so I have bullish expectations and I'm looking for that bullish market structure shift to come soon. And I'm willing to understand that if that does not happen, because logic is clear, someone has taken the short covering is done. If we do not see a bullish displacement, therefore we're entering holding pattern, and the most optimal thing to do will be to trade within the range, taking bread and butter type setups and scalps. More on the sell side, since market structure is bearish and there's some sell side liquidity below, but I'm optimistic for higher prices. And that's the end of this review. If you found value in this, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know I'm producing good content, and I'll keep doing so.